Hello, my name is Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus, and here's a finished product of the pig in a blanket, which is hamburger, sausage, cabbage, rice, tomatoes, salt, pepper, mozzarella, parmesan, jalapeno peppers a little bit there, and soy sauce, fennel seeds, and Italian seasoning. And if I had a little bit of red wine, I would have put that in there, but I didn't have any. So anyway, it's been an hour and 15 minutes. I'm going to take it out of the oven, see what it looks like, see what you think. I'd say that looks pretty good. What do you think? Let's take a little bit out of that. I'm gonna get a big spoon and get some of that juice out of there. Pulls right apart. Looks like everything's cooked really good. You still might have to cut up the cabbage a little bit, but it really looks good. I haven't had anything to eat all day, so I'm hungry, and it's I think it's after 11 o'clock at night, so here we go. That is really good. So anyway, that's it. That's all there is to it. You just put it together, put it in the oven, hour and 15 minutes at 400 degrees. If you want it a little darker on top, little charred pieces, you can take the tin foil off. They'll last 20 minutes, half hour. Anyway, that's it. I'm Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus. If you have a cat or a dog, please get them spayed and or neutered. And if you want to get a cat or a dog, please go to your local animal shelter and rescue one. They'd appreciate it. And that's it. Enjoy your meal like I'm going to. Try it sometime. I think you'll like it. Have a good one.